Welcome to I'm Not Afraid of Math Anymore, Math Foldables. In this lesson, we will look at algebra, functions, and graphs again, and we will learn about function relationships. Three different types of relationships can be found in a function: a direct relationship, an inverse relationship, or a constant relationship. In a direct relationship, as one amount increases, another amount increases too, at the same rate. Example: the more guests that attend a catered dinner, the higher the cost will be for the entire event. The total cost is directly related to the number of guests. We can write an equation for this direct relationship as cost equals price per meal times number of guests. And we can shorten that to C is equal to mg. If we have 50 guests, and if the price per meal is $12, then our total cost will be $600. But if we have more guests, if we have 70 guests, we can still multiply it by the $12 price per meal, and this time our cost will be $840. Notice that both the guests and the cost increased, and that is a direct relationship. In an inverse relationship, as one amount increases, another amount decreases at the same rate. Example: the faster someone walks or jogs, the less time it takes to go a certain distance. The time is directly related to the miles and inversely related to the speed. We can write this equation as time is equal to distance divided by speed, and we can shorten it to T is equal to D over S. If someone walks 2 miles at a speed of 2 miles per hour, then it will take 1 hour to go that distance. But if the person increased the speed to 4 miles per hour, still going 2 miles, we now have 2 divided by 4, which is 2/4, and we can reduce that fraction to 1/2. This is an inverse relationship. As the speed was increased by 2, the time was decreased by 2. In a constant relationship, one amount remains constant and does not change as other amounts increase or decrease. Example: on Friday, Todd walked 2 miles in 1 hour. On Saturday, he walked 3 miles in 1 hour. The time that Todd walked or jogged remained constant, but the miles traveled increased, so there was increased speed. We can show this in an equation as time is equal to distance divided by speed, and we can shorten that to T is equal to D over S. Todd walked 2 miles at a rate of 2 miles per hour, and that took 1 hour. On the next day, he walked 3 miles at a rate of 3 miles per hour, and it still took 1 hour. So the time remained constant, even though the miles and the miles per hour both increased. This is a constant relationship in the time.